This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Wynden Holman. Beautifully finished 4-bed, 2.5 bath home tucked into a newer neighborhood in Lynden. Great open floor plan, with kitchen island and pantry. Plenty of natural light in the vaulted great room, and lots of storage throughout the home. Spacious primary with ensuite on main level along with second bedroom. 2 rooms on upper level featuring a bonus area. West-facing fenced backyard with a wood-framed covered patio, ideal for watching the sunset. 2-car garage with extra space for storage. Along with a quiet neighborhood, this house is better than new. For more information, review the details below.